Well, hello, my most amazing artists. I hope that you guys are well and you are staying safe. So today we are going to make an art project all about color, but more specifically, warm and cool colors. So we're going to make a really cool landscape picture, which a landscape is things of nature. We're going to be making a sunset with a pretty ocean water at the bottom. So for this assignment, all you will need is a blank sheet of paper, a pencil, and a permanent marker if you would like, and any sort of crayons, markers, colored pencils, anything you want to color with. So let's get started. Alright guys, before we begin our project, I'm going to talk to you about what are the warm and cool colors. So I'm going to show you guys an example of the color wheel. And we'll first begin talking about the primary colors, which those colors are used to make all the other colors. The first primary color is red. Then we have yellow. And blue. And when the primary colors are mixed together, they will make the secondary colors. So red and yellow mixed together make orange. Blue and yellow mixed together make green. And last but not least, red and blue mixed together make purple. So now I'm going to show you guys a trick. If you divide your color wheel up into two parts like this, drawing a diagonal line through it, on one side you have your warm colors, and on the other side you have your cool colors. So when it comes to warm colors, I want you to think about something like the desert or fire, something that's really hot. Those are the warm colors. Or even the sun, anything that you would think of that would be really hot. And the warm colors include red, yellow, and orange. So now, on the other hand, I want you to think about the cool colors. So I think about something like a cloudy day in the forest, like a cold rain, or plants that are nice and green. And those will be your cool colors. That includes blue, green, and purple. Alright, so now let's get started on our project. So you're going to take a plain sheet of white paper and fold it up horizontally, making sure those edges meet, then pressing down slightly to fold. This is going to create a horizon line for our sunset picture. Then when you open it up, there you go. Now you have a nice horizontal line down the middle of your paper. So that horizontal fold in the middle is going to separate the sky from the ground. So the top will be the sky and the bottom part will be the ground. So in the top section, we're going to draw a sun that is rising. You can use a pencil first, but I'm going to use a Sharpie. So you're just going to draw a little half circle like that, kind of like an arch, like a rainbow. And then to make little rays from the sun, you're just going to do some squiggled lines all the way to the edge of your paper, like so. Alright, so now we're going to work on the bottom half where the ground is. So I'm going to make water, like an ocean. So to do that, I'm just going to draw some wavy lines like so. You can draw them in any order or any direction you would like. Just going to keep adding those wavy lines till it fills the whole bottom of my paper. And now I'm also going to draw a line where that fold is, just to separate the sky from the ground. So now we're going to color. On the top section where the sun is, we're going to use warm colors, and on the bottom where the water is, we're going to use cool colors. So I'm going to start with the sun. So for this, I'm going to use red, orange, and yellow to color everything in. So I know that it looks like I'm coloring really fast, but I am not. I am really taking my time and going slow. It just looks faster because I've edited the video. But I'm outlining where I want to color first and then filling it in. I find that that makes all the coloring look a bit neater and nicer. So you really want to take your time. Now that I've finished the top, I'm going to move on to the water portion of my artwork, and I'm going to be coloring using cool colors. So I'm going to use blue, green, and purple. And I'm doing the same thing, outlining first and then filling it in. And ta-da-da! We have our beautiful warm and cool color sunsets. So we have the red, orange, and yellow, which are the warm colors on the top, blue, green, and purple for the cool colors on the bottom. I hope that you guys have fun, and I cannot wait to see your beautiful creations. Bye, guys.